Welcome to AI Chef. Today, we're creating a delicious one-pan lemon herb roasted chicken and vegetables. Our AI has analyzed thousands of recipes to ensure optimal cooking times and flavors, resulting in a juicy chicken and tender vegetables. We'll start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures even cooking. For efficiency, let's prepare the vegetables first. We'll use 500 grams of baby potatoes, halved or quartered, 250 grams of carrots chopped into 5 centimeter pieces, 250 grams of broccoli florets, and 1 large red onion cut into wedges. Each cut is designed for even cooking and optimal flavor release. The slightly sweet red onion complements the rosemary beautifully. Now for the star. A 1.5 kilogram whole chicken cut into 8 pieces, or use 4 chicken thighs and 4 chicken breasts. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels to achieve crispy skin. This enhances texture and flavor. In a small bowl, we'll mix 30 milliliters of olive oil, 10 milliliters of dried rosemary, 5 milliliters of dried thyme, 5 milliliters of garlic powder, 5 grams of salt, and 2.5 grams of black pepper. These precise measurements create a balanced flavor profile. The herbs create a complex, subtle undertone that complements the chicken and vegetables. Generously coat the chicken and vegetables with the herb mixture. Ensure even distribution for balanced flavor in every bite. This step is crucial for the overall taste experience. Add thinly sliced lemon for a bright, zesty note. We'll use 1 lemon sliced and another juiced later for optimal flavor. The lemon's acidity cuts through the richness of the chicken and vegetables. Roast for 45 to 55 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Our AI determined this time to maximize juiciness. The Maillard reaction will create delicious browning and complex flavors. Patience is key. After 45 to 55 minutes, the chicken should be cooked through, with an internal temperature of 74 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and the vegetables tender. Let it rest for 10 minutes to redistribute the juices. Then squeeze fresh lemon juice over everything for a final touch of brightness. There you have it, a delicious one-pan lemon herb roasted chicken and vegetables, created with the help of AI Chef. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered recipes. Full recipe details are in the description below. Happy cooking!